Hello, remote family. Happy Thursday. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job, and as always, I have 100% a work from home job which doesn't require any degree, any experience, and this job can be done by anyone. So, the opening I have is with this company, Inside Investments, and they are looking for data entry clerk. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for a data entry clerk to maintain large quantities of production data by entering new and updated customer and account information. You will be transferring data from paper formats into computer files or database systems. You will type in data provided directly from warehouse systems. You will create spreadsheets with large numbers of figures without mistakes and verify data by comparing it to source documents. You will also update existing data and retrieve data from the database of electronic files as requested. You will perform regular backups to ensure data preservation. You will sort and organize paperwork after entering data to ensure it is not lost. You will navigate fried carrier tracking numbers and run daily, weekly, and monthly reports from multiple sources. The qualifications required are a high school degree or equivalent, a computer proficiency in Excel, and must have experience in Microsoft Dynamics. The skills required to perform this job are a proven experience as data entry clerk, fast typing skills, excellent knowledge of word processing tools and spreadsheets like MS Office, Excel, and Word, a working knowledge of office equipment and a computer hardware and peripheral devices, a basic understanding of databases, a good command of English, both oral and written, and customer service skills. A great attention to detail and a high school degree is not necessary. As I mentioned, they just need a high school degree or equivalent. The salary which they are offering, the hourly rate is around $16 an hour. So if you are interested in this job role, then please apply for this job and you will find a link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.